Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into Roblox with your regular credentials. Make sure you can receive any verification codes. Once signed in, navigate directly to Account Settings, then Security. You need the linked device or authenticator app nearby because Roblox sometimes requires a second factor before changing passkeys. Do this now, don't wander through menus. By acting immediately, you reduce session timeouts, and you ensure verification prompts arrive where you expect them, which prevents lockouts later. Once in security, scroll to the Passkeys or Security Keys area and identify the passkey you want removed. You'll see device names or creation dates. Select the matching entry, then choose Remove. Roblox will prompt a confirmation and require reauthentication. Enter your password or a 2FA code from your authenticator app. Proceed carefully. This step severs the cryptographic credential. Once confirmed, the passkey is revoked on Roblox servers, which prevents that key from logging in again. After removal, log out and then log back in using your password to verify everything works. If you prefer, re-enable two-factor authentication or register a new passkey from a trusted device. Make sure to back up recovery codes. If something goes wrong, say you can't authenticate, use account recovery on the login page and follow the prompts, or contact Roblox support with proof of ownership. Keep calm. Recovery exists to restore access without the original passkey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.